I think that's just very awesome right there. That's huge. And there's another biggest Santa Claus right there. That's just so big. See? Better save that one. All right. Yeah, there's a bunch. There's people are walking right now. So they're bringing their dogs out, walking their dogs. I don't know how. Well, it's getting really dark, isn't it? Santa needs to bring you a woman. You didn't get your wish this time, didn't you? Who's right arm? Oh. A carpal tunnel. Okay, look at there's more decoration coming up. This is the trail that goes, actually that's what we take when we go hiking in the woods. It's beautiful in there. It's wet right now and it's wet and it's what do you call that? Muddy. Very slippery. It takes you to the beach. You're so funny. Okay, who else is in here? You know, there's a sailboat right here, just sits there. It's never been used. It's old sailboat. More decor. Oh, that's pretty. Most people that live here have no kids. So a lot of people don't decorate. It's pretty. I thought this phone have stabilizer. Where is it moving when I move? It's pretty right there. See, that's gorgeous, huh? Nice decor. Wow, that's a solar lamp. Solar Christmas light. I do, huh? Perfect height. Hello, Elsa. This one right here, I'm gonna decor here. I'm gonna do short hair. Oh, look how pretty that is. You know, these people here, I hardly see them. I don't think they're ever home. Let's see. There's Santa and there's the reindeer. That's a red one. And there's the Mary and Joseph.